Holy sh**. Hello, all of you beautiful people out there. It is me, Madison. I hope you're doing so well today. Look at all of this amazing food we have in front of us today. Yum, I'm so excited. Today, we are having marinated portobello steak topped with some grilled onions, of course. We are having Korean barbecue sliders. I use portobello mushrooms for these as well. We have a baked potato right here. We're gonna make a loaded baked potato. Yes. Ma'am, we've got some onion rings right here, and of course, vegan ranch. If you want to know how to make vegan ranch, you're gonna learn today, okay? Because you need to know how, because it's delicious. And then, because we need to get some vegetables in our life, even though it's all vegetables, really. We have some green beans with almonds, and I put a little bit of garlic salt on there too. I'm so excited, you guys. Yum. Okay, so the very first thing we are going to do is get our loaded baked potato ready. Okay, so I baked this in the oven for about an hour. Does anybody do the zigzag motion on their baked potato? Which way do you go? Before they eat it, to open it up and then go like this. It's really hot. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I've got a bunch of vegan ingredients to put in there. Okay, now usually the first thing you put in there, right, is butter, right? But we're gonna be putting in some vegan cheese first, because vegan cheese is like kind of hard to melt than normal cheese, right? So you need to put it on while there's a lot of heat in the potato. Yum. Okay, so this is the Go Veggie, like Mexican style cheese. So we're just gonna pop that in there so it'll get all melty. Then my favorite butter of all time, Earth Balance original butter. Oh, you guys, this stuff is so good. One of my favorite things is butter and potatoes, right? I mean, you can't go wrong. We're gonna put a lot of butter in there. Oh my God, I'm so bad, I swear to God. And then this is the tofutti. Not tofutti, tofutti. This is the tofutti sour cream. It's better than sour cream, imitation sour cream. It's actually amazing. My friends have tried this before and they're like, oh dang, like that's good. I'm like, I know, it's so good. Okay, and then a big old blob of that on there. I've got some green onions we're gonna put on there. Yum, yum, yum. And then we're gonna add some bacon bits. These are the McCormick bacon bits that I used in my Olive Garden Zuppa Toscana. Oh my God, you guys, that soup was insane. And I show you how to cook it in the video. If you haven't watched my Olive Garden video, go and get you some, girl. Okay, and now it's ready. Oh, yeah. And then for the portobello mushroom steak, I got this charred pineapple moonshine barbecue sauce from H-E-B. Like, what? And I'm gonna put it on the steak. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I'm just gonna put it on a little bit, like on this side right here, just to see how it tastes. And then we'll add some more later. Okay, you guys, let's dig in. Yum. Okay. I kind of put a lot of sauce on there, but that's okay. I like it saucy. Oh, yum. Oh my gosh, yum. Wow, these are so good. Look at that. Wow, that pineapple sauce is the shit. It's not like overly like powerful and sweet with the pineapple flavor either. It's just like perfect. Okay, let's try the sliders. For the sliders, I use this Korean barbecue sauce also that I got at H-E-B. Sorry, I know the glare is really bad. Check this out. Look how cute this is. Oh my God, it's so freaking cute. These are also portobello mushrooms in here. They are little. When you cook portobello mushrooms and marinate them and stuff, they reduce in size a lot. Like this portobello mushroom was huge and now it's kind of small. Well, not really that small, but anyways. Okay, so I put onions, I put a pickle on there, vegan mayo, and some lettuce. Okay. Holy shit. Oh God. Oh my God. These are incredible. Wow. That's insane. You guys, if you can find Korean barbecue sauce, get it and make you some Korean barbecue sliders. Oh my goodness, girl. That is the shit. And then, okay, let's try some onion rings. These onion rings are from Walmart. They're the Walmart brand. They were vegan. Yes. We're going to dip it in some ranch. Get it all nice and ranchy. Okay. Okay, Kaya. My animals are playing. Do you guys hate when you're eating onion rings and then the onion like slips out from the coating? I don't like that. This ranch is good. You guys, I filmed this mukbang. Well, not this exact one. I made portobello burgers and I also had some onion rings. I recorded the whole thing and the audio was trash. It sucked. So I also had some cooking portions in there. The cooking portions audio actually came out really good. But the actual mukbang of me eating the food didn't work. So I'm really sorry that this video is coming out late, but I've been working like crazy, so I had to, you know, wait until I had time to actually film this. So, you know, I don't know. I had to go out and get more portobello mushrooms, but wow. I think at the end of this video, I'll put the clip of me preparing the portobello mushrooms at the end. So then that way you can kind of see how I like marinated them and stuff like that. Because I get a lot of positive feedback of you guys really liking the cooking in my videos. And I was going to do it for this, but I don't know. It was too much. Okay, now let's try the potato. Oh, I love me a baked potato. Don't you? Don't you just love a good old baked potato? There's this place called, yeah, there's this place called Jason's Deli, and they serve like these huge baked potatoes, and you can get them like topped with all kinds of stuff. Like I think you can get like a broccoli cheese baked potato, and I used to go there and get those all the time. I can't remember, but it's been years since I've been there. But oh, have you even been? If you've been to Jason's Deli, isn't their salad bar like bomb.com? It's freaking awesome. They have like everything on there. You guys, I have been literally working my butt off. I don't have a day off this weekend. After Sunday, it's going to be my 13th day at work. I'm so tired, but it's fine. I just need some extra help right now. But And I'm sorry, I feel so bad about getting this video up late. I'm supposed to have my videos up every Sunday and Wednesday at 12 a.m. But not this time. I'm sure you guys understand. You guys are probably like, what? I didn't even notice. Can you guys hear the wind howling? I don't know if you can hear that. It's so windy out today. It's been really rainy and humid. Oh my God. It's so humid. I'm loving this baked potato. I'm like almost got it all done. I like almost ate all of the inside already. Okay. I love baked potatoes. I love potatoes. Ooh, that was a big one. Okay, let's have another one of these. These are so freaking good, you guys. There's been a lot of robberies in my neighborhood. I've been getting these updates on my phone. Like, okay. Do you have the, have you guys heard of the, what's it called? Oh, the Nextdoor app. I don't know if you guys have it downloaded. Where, like, it's an app that tells you, like, it's an app where all the people in your neighborhood, like, are on it and they, like, talk about what's going on and shit like that. Well, like, this post keeps coming up about how there's a bunch of robberies in my neighborhood. Also, that freaking people are so silly on there. I swear. It's so annoying. Like, I hate, like, sometimes I get, like, so many notifications of things that are, like, non-issues. Like, I'm just like, you guys. Like, one post was like, I woke up this morning and my microwave clock was flashing 12 o'clock. Seems like the electricity might have gone out last night. Does anybody know about this? I'm like, the electricity went out. So? I don't know. Or one was like, there was a green truck, this model, this year, speeding down the road at 8:05 p.m. last night. Everybody keep an eye out and all this stuff. I'm just like, okay, there was some trucks speeding down the road. Like, it's not that deep. But, I mean, it is good for, like, things like, you know, informing people about robberies. And my husband's like, we need to get a camera out the backyard. I'm like, okay. But yeah, I mean, it is good about, like, informing people about robberies or lost pets. Oh my God, that's another thing. I used to like think, like, whenever those posts about lost pets would come up, how can you, like, lose your pet? Like, honestly, like keep control. I mean, I know things happen, but it just happens all the time. And I'm like, how do you constantly lose your pet? But then I got this dog. Yes, you're a monster. Come here. This one. Come say hi. Oh, this one. She's so cute and she wants my food. You can't have none. And she's, like, crazy fast. Like, today, I went to go get my cup out of my car. And I, like, opened the door and, like, phew, she bolts out from between my legs, phew, runs out the door, and I'm like, ah! And she sees my neighbor across the street, and she just fucking bolts it across the street. And I'm like, oh my God, I'm, like, having a panic attack. I'm like, oh my God, please no cars. I mean, I don't live on a busy street, like, at all. So, I mean, it was fine. Runs across the street barking like crazy. I'm so embarrassed. I'm like, sorry, Betty. I have on this shirt and I have on like pajama bottoms. It's just like, oh my God. So embarrassing. But, so now I understand. But anyways, adult stuff. It's good. It's good. You guys, I have to go to the dentist because I have 2 cavities. I feel like a little kid. Like, who gets cavities? Me. Oh my God. It's so bad. I need to stop eating sugar. I don't wanna. I don't really eat sugar that much anymore, but I used to. And look what it did. It gave me 2 cavities. I have like shit teeth. Like, I have had so many root canals, and like, it's just like, what the fuck? Like, my dentist is always like, make sure you're brushing your teeth, do this and do that. I'm like, dude, I brush and floss my teeth every day. Okay? Calm down. I just don't know. I just have shitty teeth, I guess. My dad is the same way. He's always had issues with his teeth. Whatever. You guys, I love the baked potato. Favorite part. Favorite part. And vegan. Like, what the heck? A classic baked potato is butter, sour cream, chives, and bacon. 3 out of those 4 things are animal products, but you can have it vegan style. Yes, ma'am. And it's freaking delicious. It's good. It tastes the same. So, and if you can't find tofutti sour cream, like the kind that I use, you can make it out of cashews. Really easy. You guys, I'm gonna get recessed lighting installed in my house. I'm so excited. My husband's gonna do it. You guys, ladies, let me tell you something. Bit of advice. Marry a man that knows how to fix shit. That knows how to fix shit and do shit. I'm telling you. In my kitchen, I have pendant lighting that my husband installed. It literally changed my kitchen lighting game. It's my favorite thing, and it's so pretty, and it hangs down. It's like over my kitchen island. And he put that in for me. Oh, I love it so much. And he's gonna put recessed lighting in too. I'm excited about it. The supplies alone are expensive. Like, I can't imagine what it would be like to like pay somebody to put it in. You know what I mean? I'm gonna put a little bit of butter on this. A little bit more. You guys. Okay, I want to eat the rest of this because this is what's up. Stick a fork in me. I'm done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Okay, you guys, so I'm actually in the middle of getting ready, so don't mind this, but we are going to get the mushrooms prepared because we have to marinate the mushrooms for about half an hour before you start cooking them. You can actually marinate them for up to like 2 to 3 hours if you want. But yeah, let's get started. Look how big these mushrooms are. Oh my goodness, look at that. Yum. So the very first thing you want to do is clean your mushrooms. I actually already did this mushroom right here. I already prepared it, but we're going to start with this one. This one has a little crack in it. I didn't see that. Oh, poor guy. But we have to clean the mushrooms first. So you never want to wash your mushrooms under running water, but what you do is you take a wet paper towel and then you just kind of wipe clean the surface of the mushroom. It's because mushrooms are always really thirsty and they soak up all the water. So if you wash them under running water, they'll just soak up all the water and become like super soggy, and it's not good. But you want to make sure you do this because if you don't, then your mushrooms will just taste dirty. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean. All right, all clean. Okay, so the second thing you want to do is take out the stem of your mushroom and de-gill it. You don't have to de-gill it or take out the stem. I prefer to. So you just kind of pop the stem off like this. These stems are not long, but they just kind of pop off real quick, very easily. Usually the stems are a lot longer, but okay. So then you want to take a spoon to de-gill it and gently scrape the gills off the bottom of the mushroom. You have to go super gentle around the edges, and because this mushroom is sadly almost broken all the way in half, we'll just have to go really nice and gently. So they come out super easy, and it doesn't have to be perfectly clean, but just gently scrape, just like this. Okay, so it kind of looks like this. See, it's not perfect, but it's going to be good. So now for the marinade, you're going to need a plastic bag. You can also use like just like a dish or whatever, but I prefer the bag method over all. Okay, so, oh, wait, what? Oh, I just realized I got 2 kinds of vinegars. No, we don't need this. Let me put this, and I'll put this right here. Okay, this is what we need. This is what we need. Okay, so we're going to start off with some olive oil, and we're going to put some in there. I don't know, 2 tablespoons. About that much. You guys know I don't do measurements. I don't do it. Okay, and then we're going to put some balsamic vinegar. Oh, I love balsamic vinegar. I'm going to put a little extra in there. Maybe 2 tablespoons as well. Okay, and then we're going to put some agave nectar. You can use maple syrup. You can use anything, really, sugar, whatever you want. Just a little bit to sweeten it up. It really does make a difference, I promise. Okay, and then we're going to add some fresh cracked pepper, some salt, and then I've got 2 cloves of fresh chopped garlic. You can use garlic powder. I prefer fresh garlic. It's so yummy. Okay, you guys, and then the last ingredient is liquid smoke. This is gonna add some like crazy depth of flavors and smokiness, obviously, to your mushrooms. Oh, it's so good. Pero escúchame, okay? You only need just a little bit, like 2 to 3 drops. So, mira, okay? Just a little bit. Okay, watch. Just like this. Okay, so now we're gonna add our mushrooms. So because this one's broken, I have to be extra careful, but let's just pop them in there. And then you want them both facing the same way. So both sides, bottoms up or bottoms down, whatever. And then we'll zip it up. I usually get the Ziploc bags, but these are from the Dollar Tree, so I hope they don't like spill on me. They're all, oh geez, they're already not even closing properly. Come on. No! Shit. Okay, are you closed? What's happening? So then you're gonna marinate them on each side for even amounts of time. So if you marinate them for an hour, you're gonna marinate on one side for 30 minutes, on the other side for 30 minutes. What I like to do is I like to, while the bottoms are facing down in the bag, I like to get juice like kind of on the bottom of the mushrooms. Okay, follow along here. So the juice is like on the bottom of the mushrooms, and then I like to flip it over and make little pools of marinade on the bottom of the mushrooms, so you get all the flavor on the bottom of the mushrooms. And then just marinate that like that, okay? And then you can kind of shake it up, and then we're gonna flip it over later, okay? And you saw that I had onion rings, and what goes like the freaking best with onion rings, and also what do I love the most in this world? Vegan ranch, hello. So we're just gonna make some really, really quick. So I just wanna show you how simple it is, okay? So you get your little blender thingy, and we're gonna start off by putting almond milk in our little blender. About that much. Usually I would use white vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar. I don't really like apple cider vinegar. But today, instead of using white vinegar like I usually do, I'm gonna use pickle juice. I love pickles. And I always say that pickles are cucumbers soaked in second chance of life. Okay, I can't open you. Come on, open. Hey, come on. You guys, I can't do it. Oh my God. Come on, motherfucker. Okay, I tried holding it between my legs. I'm sweating. There it goes. Okay, I got it. All right. So that's so much pickle juice. Whoops. That's okay. Okay, and then we just let this sit for a little bit, because when you mix the milk and the vinegar, it starts to curdle, which creates a buttermilk kind of situation, science stuff. Okay? Yum. Okay, so now that that's been sitting for a little bit, let's put in our mayo. We use lots of mayo because we love mayo. So many people are like, oh, I hate mayo, it's disgusting. And like people will have conversations about how gross mayo is, and they're all on board like, oh, mayo, gross, gross, gross. And I'm just like, I love mayo so much. It's so good. Why is it so good? Like, y'all crazy. Mayo's amazing. Okay. I'm gonna add some black salt today, just because I'm like kind of feeling it, you know what I mean? And if you've never heard of black salt before, like black salt has like a very like sulfuric element to it, like it really does. So it's used in a lot of cooking and like tofu scrambles and stuff to replace the flavor of eggs, and it actually kind of really does work. It's crazy. It's crazy. One day I'm gonna make a tofu scramble for y'all, I promise, I swear. Okay, so I'm gonna add some white pepper, garlic, onion powder, and the most important ingredient, you guys, dill. Dill. What's the big deal? You're delicious, that's what. Okay, so we're gonna add a bunch. I like a bunch of dill. Fresh dill actually would be amazing in this, but I don't have dill. I bought some dill seeds. I'm gonna plant some dill. Lastly, I went out into my garden and I just picked a bunch of cilantro, and we're just gonna put that in there today. We're making cilantro ranch, baby, yes. Okay, and then that's done. We're just gonna go blend it up.